Guys, it's June 26, 2 days after Iran was defeated. And I'm walking here in Tel Aviv to show you what's happening here. It's not a celebration, it's a lovely regular day of nice coffee places, alcohol, and excellent food that Tel Aviv can actually have. And I'm sure that everyone who's been in Tel Aviv knows what I'm talking about. Pere, very good restaurant. Pere in English, it's wildness. And I'm on the way to the pedestrian of Nahlat Binyamin. And such a beautiful place. I mean, look what's happening here. There's no place in each of the restaurant here. Difficult for me even to walk here, but we're celebrating in a way. The mother of all nation and the mother of terror, Iran, was defeated. As we believe, no more nuclear. Lots of happiness here because Iran, for us, and the world must know it, was the supplyment country of all terror organizations around Israel. Hamas, Gaza, Hezbollah, Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen. Oh, Syria is gone as well. In that case, this is the story. I'm getting so many messages from so many Muslim countries like Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, and so many others that ask me what I'm actually doing if my country is ruined. If I have no house in Tel Aviv, then I decided to show them that we do have excellent tables and alcohol in Tel Aviv right now. No place to sit here, and this is only 8 p.m. You can imagine what will happen here at midnight. Guys, this is the message for every pro-terrorist. This is the message for everyone who loves Israel. Thank you for that. I got hundreds and thousands, actually, messages from you. Then yes, I'm feeling perfect. And I think you can see that all of the Tel Avivis are feeling perfect as well now. And this is the good part of it. There are endless places here to eat and to drink. Nahlat Binyamin, let me see if there is... yeah, I can show you the name of the street right here. Although that... Nahlat Binyamin. At night time, they're turning it into pedestrian. And you can see what's happening here. Are we happy? Yes. Are we showing it like fake Arab countries procession? No. Because we don't need it. Is it a propaganda? Yes, if you can see it as a propaganda, yes. But you can see the reality in Tel Aviv, and that's what I want you to see. Listen to the people. Listen to the sound of calm, happiness. This is the sound of Thursday night in Tel Aviv. Tomorrow, at the weekend, it's going to be even more crowded. I'm sure that you ask me now, Zahi, where do you sit? Nah, not a problem. Every place here is good. Because if it won't be good, no one will sit there, then in that case they must be good. This is Tel Aviv. In Tel Aviv people ask for the best. And they're getting the best. Wonderful Chinese, Asian food. Beautiful houses. Guys, that was 5 or 6 minutes of nightlife in Tel Aviv, 2 days after we defeated Iran. I'm sure that they will actually poisoning now the people of Iran and said that he won. Now it's the time of the people of Iran to talk, to stop their regime or not. We love the people of Iran. We love the Persian people. We don't love their regime. And I think in the last 12 days, we showed them it every moment. Thank you for being with me. See you in my next video. I do have more than 21,000 videos. Don't forget to subscribe.